Okay, so now we are going to talk about one option known as enable axis. If you see over here, you will get this option. Let's see how we can use that. Now suppose if I created one cube over here, right now it's parametric objects, and this option works only when your object is editable. So we need to select that object and we need to press C on our keyboard to make this object editable. Now if I press R on my keyboard and if I select this, and if I rotate it, as you guys can see, this thing is rotating from center, because if you see the axis of this object is properly at the center. If you press E, as you guys can see, these handles are properly at the center of the object, because the axis of this object, or you can say center of mass, is properly at the center. But now suppose if I want to change the axis of this object, that's where our enable axis comes. If you click on it, then you can, as you guys can see, the icon also has changed. If you disable, as you guys can see, you are not gonna get this icon over here. If you enable this, you will get this kind of icon, which means now you can change the position of that axis. Now if I suppose move this over here, and then if I disable this, and now if I select this object and if I press R for rotation, as you guys can see, this point is central axis of this object, and now you can rotate that object from this axis. So that's where our enable axis option comes in play, because we want to change the axis of rotation or axis of movement or axis of object, whatever you can say. So yep, that's the use of enable axis.